Today was a weird one. I'm not gonna lie. What the hell happened today? Alright, so today we had CPI come out and unemployment claims. So I was waiting for this 5 minute to close under, but we ended up closing way too far below it. So what I did was I waited until we retraced back up into this 5 minute fair value gap, and then I got in. As you can see, I was in drawdown as soon as I got into the trade. It tapped back in the 5 minute, and I was playing around in the 5 minute gap. So I dropped down to the 1 minute, see what's going on. I was not too happy about how the price action was playing out. Once this fair value gap got respected and rejected, I was feeling really bad about my trade at that point. Now, if this fair value gap got inversed and disrespected, then I would be a lot more confident in my trade going to my target. So I originally had my stop loss at that orange line right there. It ended up hitting, but I closed my position early because once this 1 minute closed above, the 5 minute also closed above. So that was my sign to get out. So overall, at the end of the day, I'm not mad at this trade because I followed my rules. I was gonna wait for the 5 minute to close, and it did, but it just closed way too low. So then I didn't chase it. I got back in. I got in after a certain level was hit. My stop loss was perfect. It wasn't too high or too low. I didn't over leverage. It just didn't work out. And sometimes it's okay. You're not gonna be right all the time. And as long as you manage your risk properly, then you'll live to trade another day. One more thing I want to say before I leave this video. We were in between two draws on liquidity, which was the CPI data low and the PPI data high that we left open from yesterday. Going into the morning, I didn't think we would hit the PPI first. I thought we were pretty high in the range already, so I thought we would come back down to hit the CPI first and then go up. But just goes to show you, if you're in between two draws on liquidity, it is kind of hard to tell which is going to hit first. So it's always better to wait till one gets hit and then target the other one. But yeah, that was the trade for today. Unfortunately, it was a loss, but it was, in my opinion, it was a good loss. Managed my risk properly, so I will be able to come back tomorrow and take another trade. I did not blow my shit. So yeah, I'll be back tomorrow and I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.